What's going on, guys? Tech here. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys my 2022 December Tech EDC update. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright guys, so these are all the things that I've been carrying every single day for the past few months. Now a few things have changed and a few things will change, so there are going to be more update videos coming right around the new year because I know that I'm going to be switching up a few things. So the first item that I carry every single day with me is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. As you guys can tell here, this bad boy goes with me everywhere. I cannot live without it. We got the white and silver finish. I mainly got this thing for the camera and stabilization, a few other things, but honestly, I just love this phone. I was upgrading from an iPhone 8 Plus, and this thing has been with me for the last, I want to say, 2 years now, and I've absolutely loved it. Haven't found a need to upgrade or anything yet. Battery life is awesome. It's a nice big screen to get work done. Camera is amazing. The display is amazing. Everything about this phone is really awesome. Nice big huge display. Can't say much else. It does everything I need it to do. It looks sleek. It looks awesome. Now on top of that, I paired it with this silicone case off of Amazon. It's a pretty simple silicone case. Just snap it in, and yeah, my old just clear one was just yellowing, and I wanted something, you know, colory and whatnot, and this kind of did the job. So as you guys can tell there, super clean, super minimal, that like olive army green kind of, and a matte finish. So moving on to the next item, that is going to be the watch. Now this being a tech channel, it kind of is awkward in a way that I don't wear a smartwatch, and I don't plan on wearing a smartwatch. I'm just a classic watch type of guy, and for the last, I want to say like week or 2 weeks, I've been rocking this new watch that I got for Christmas. This is the MVMT RAPTOR. I wear a watch every single day, and I'm not going to show you guys all my other watches. I'll just save it for other videos, you know, EDC updates, whatever one I'm rocking at the moment. But I rotate a watch every single day. I always wear a chrono or automatic watch. This just so happens to be my newest piece, which is again the MVMT RAPTOR. This is a big face. I'm pretty sure it's a 46.5mm face, and I wanted something that was big, that was rugged, that was kind of darker, and this was like the perfect watch. My fiance actually gifted this for Christmas, and it's freaking awesome. I love how big it is. I love how just like kind of rugged it is, but yet it's still nice and classy, and it has like this taupe brown finish, and I can just wear this as my everyday watch slash kind of rugged watch whenever I'm kind of wearing more casual kind of rugged outfits with, you know, just boots, jeans, and like a big Sherpa jacket. But I do wear different watches every single day depending on my outfit. Again, this is more of like a casual everyday rugged type of watch, but I can also dress it up, and it'll be a nice, just nice watch to wear. Again, big face, bold and rugged, yet still classy. That's why I was looking into this one, and that's also why I don't wear smartwatches, guys. I don't want any more distractions on me or near me, and that's why I'm not a smartwatch guy, and I don't plan on getting a smartwatch. I'm just a classic watch guy. I rotate different watches every single day. This one's awesome. The little dials on there are like a lime green. It says the date on there. It's just everything about this, all the little details. I love them. MVMT, go ahead and check them out. The next thing is the wallet. So the wallet has changed dramatically over the last couple years and months. So this is a Nixon just card holder, leather holder that I used to rock back in the day, and I absolutely loved it. A little money clip there. Held a ton of wallets, but I wanted something a little more minimal, a little more less clunky, and I just wanted kind of, you know, an upgrade, and that's when I upgraded to this Moft super minimal wallet. This is like for MagSafe specifically, and as you guys can see there, Moft, it had like a little stand, a little kickstand slash pop socket, and it only held about 6 cards or so. It was tight in this beat, and I couldn't do much with it. So the folks over at GeoGrit actually sent over a few wallets, and I've been rocking this wallet for the last, I want to say, 2 months. And this is the GeoGrit just card wallet. It holds up to 12 cards in here. It's made out of aluminum metal. It has the RFID blocking technology, so no one can steal your card info. This is actually the money clip version, and these little bungees down here hold your wallet in place. If you need to take cards out, you just slip your thumb and you pick your wallet, or you pick your card, etc. This holds up to 12 cards, and I've absolutely been loving it. Let me show you another wallet that they sent over, and between this wallet and this one, the only difference is the money clip, and this one's like a money loop strap, and this one's a little more minimal. This one's a little more my style, but I opted surprisingly for the OD green one as my everyday for the last like 2 months, with the money clip, and it's honestly not clunky at all with the money clip, guys. And the money clip just comes in clutch. This also holds money. It's just depending on whether you want the strap or whether you want the money clip. I personally think this is a little more rugged. This is a little more classy, depending on what you like. But I have been rocking this GeoGrit, so shout out to the people over at GeoGrit for sending me this. And I mean, they did send it, but I've been wearing this / using it every single day for the last 2 months. I've absolutely loved it. Nice, sturdy, rugged GeoGrit wallet. Go ahead, check it out. Highly recommend it. Now, this wallet is going to be changing at the beginning of the year. You guys are probably going to see me rocking a different wallet, so stick around for another little EDC update, maybe an unboxing. I've just been testing different kinds lately, and I know that I'm going to be switching from this one, but I highly recommend this one. I absolutely love this wallet. I also recommend that Moft wallet. It just kind of goes with like your necessities and your day-to-day. For the last 2 months, this has been awesome, nice and rugged, you know, get scratches and whatnot on it, and it just adds character. This one's awesome for, you know, miscellaneous activities. You don't want to jack up a nice wallet. Next, we're gonna move on to sunglasses. For literally the majority of the year, I was rocking these Key Australia. I don't know what they're called. Literally, oh, they're called the Reckless, I believe. Yeah, by Key Australia. They're spelled Quay. Someone corrected me hardcore, saying that they were called Key. But these have been my go-to for like the last year, just as an everyday pair of sunglasses. They are polarized, they're awesome, but I just needed something different. These were basically my replacement to my Oakley Holbrooks that got stolen a while back at the gym. And I liked them, but they just like, they did the job. I liked them, but I just wanted to go back to my tortoiseshell vibes. And within the last like month or so, I upgraded to these bad boys, tortoiseshell, polarized, metal frame, believe it or not. As you can see here, nice tortoise. I wanted something with, you know, like a orangey vibe, like the tortoiseshell vibe, because I did have a pair of electric Knoxvilles in tortoise, and I lost them mountain biking. Those were my go-to, but it was just time to retire those. I didn't want to spend, you know, a lot of money, and honestly, believe it or not, these are only $15 on Amazon. I'm gonna order 3 more pairs because these by far blow out any and every pair of sunglasses that I've ever owned, because I love how they fit. I love the quality and the feel, and they're for $15. You can't go wrong with them. I'm gonna link these because these are badass and they're only $15. So these have been my go-to, and I wear sunglasses just about every single day, even when there's clouds out. Believe it or not, I just have super sensitive eyes. Next, my headphones of choice have been the SOUNDPEATS Mini Pro 2s, I believe. These are awesome little headphones, guys. They're wireless. They are almost like little AirPod reminisced, but they're just performance-y. They're really just made for working out. As you guys can see here, the earbud, little suction cup style, pop them in. It says connected. Now there are a few flaws with these guys, like they're like touch feel, and I wear beanies sometimes when I go running, and the beanie would like rub on this, and then they would just kind of stop or pause or completely disconnect, and I didn't have the case with me, so it would just piss me off. Honestly, guys, for the price, these are a good pair of headphones. I recommend them because, like I said, they're budget friendly, and when I, you know, got rid of my AirPods, I needed something budget friendly that was like going to be sweat resistant, moisture resistant, and these little AirPods, these little headphones, SOUNDPEATS Mini Pro, have been awesome. I've been rocking these for almost a year now, so I really can't say that they're crappy, or else I would have stopped using them. They're actually really good headphones, and especially if you work out, you sweat a lot. These are awesome. Taking phone calls, I love them. Honestly, I took a nap with these. My house was Christmas, and house was super loud and busy. Threw these in with nothing playing and do not disturb, and I blocked out all the noise, so they double. Highly recommend these. These are in my everyday carry as well. The next piece that I do carry is just some gum. Trident is my go-to gum, just to have fresh breath when I'm having trouble staying awake through stuff. I kind of pop in like half a piece of gum, and it's also just like a satiating, you know, you kill your cravings with this. Gum's always on deck for me. The next thing is just my keys. So I just have my normal key fob on here. Biggest upgrade to this little setup has been the Red Bull Racing keychain. I was so stoked to get this keychain. It's a pretty pricey keychain, but I've been watching a lot of F1, Team F1 with Verstappen, Checo, and now we got Daniel Ricciardo on the Red Bull Racing team again. Got this during the season, probably in September. It's such a big, clunky piece of just metal that says Red Bull Racing. It matches my Red Bull Racing hat, the blue, the red, the little logo there. Nice keychain. Honestly, for a keychain, it was expensive. It was like $25, but it was freaking worth it just to, you know, have some of that, you know, just put on for your team, you know. The next thing on there is just my house key, and next thing is the Gerber little multi-tool here. It has like 9 different tools, so we got a little bottle opener, a little screwdriver there, got some sort of like, I have no idea what that is. We have like a prying tool there, screwdriver, box opener type deal and whatnot. It's a Gerber multi-tool. It came with a little black keychain. Stick it on here. Very minimal. It's also airport friendly. I just traveled to SF for my job recently, and this thing made it through just fine. It comes in handy for tons of things. You never know when you need a little multi-tool, and if you can have something that's with you, you know, that you can travel with through the airlines and through the airport, then this thing's a go-to. It's the Gerber multi-tool. I can't remember exactly what the heck it's called, but there's a Gerber shard, which this is not it, and then there's this one. It's only like $10. Highly recommend it. And that's what's on my keys. Now moving on to the other 2 things that stay on my left and right pockets. We're gonna go on to the Streamlight Micro Stream. So I've been carrying a little flashlight for the last, I want to say, 2 months or so. Super bright flashlight. I forget the lumens on. I even jacked up my damn exposure right now. Dang it. See, I jacked up my exposure. Micro USB charging thing here. This is the Streamlight Mini, just USB, I believe it's called. Has a little belt clip, pocket clip there, and it also has a hat clip right here on this end, if you guys can see that. So you clip it on your hat, and then you kind of have like a little lantern. It has 2 modes, the low and the high. If you push halfway down, it turns it on. Clicking all the way, it stays on. And you can just click it for the high mode, click it for the low mode. Probably wondering, doesn't your phone have a flashlight? Yes, it does. But what if you lost your phone and you need a light? You know, you drop it at the movie theater and you can't find your freaking phone. That's when these little lights come in. Honestly, I use this way more than I do my phone battery, and that's just because the ease of use. It's super little. I don't have to fidget up on my phone. I literally just pull it out of my pocket. Boom, boom, boom. Even when I'm just relaxing in sweatpants, I always keep this on me. Streamlight little micro USB flashlight. Highly recommend it. Been an awesome purchase. Next on this side, I have a Gerber just pocket knife here. This is called the Gerber Swagger knife, I believe. I just loved the look of it. It's kind of rugged. Gerber, you know, quality materials. I know this isn't like the best knife out there in the world and whatnot, but I just needed something utility wise. This just was kind of just matching what I was looking for. It is kind of tough to open. It's assisted opening, so if you try to open it like this, it kind of flicks open. It's kind of sketchy to do, but what you have to do is you kind of have to pry your thumb. I'll show you guys right here. You have to pry your thumb onto this little piece right here, and then let's see, boom, it opens. And I got these serrated edge just for cutting boxes, for cutting wood, for food, whatever. Literally just like opening boxes, for opening just different things. This thing is awesome for that. So again, from here, assisted opening, as you guys can see there. Really good knife so far, super sharp out of the box. Tons of grip. It's called the Gerber Swagger. I highly recommend it. I use this thing just about every day, maybe once or twice a day, to open a box. Just help me pry something. It's just an awesome little tool to have, and I think you should always have something like this on deck. You know, just for random miscellaneous things. More than anything, just multi-tool. So keep this. And that's pretty much it for my everyday carry in terms of 2022. The only other thing you might see is my glasses up there. They're like goggle looking things, and I use those every single day on my run. I'll go ahead and show them to you guys. These are also a new pickup as of this year. These have been my go-to running glasses. Other than the keys, I use these after I finally decided to buy a running specific pair. I absolutely love these things. They're polarized. They're also pretty much just wind blocking. The wind blocking has been amazing. The fact that it's like full eye cover. And I live in a windy town, and you know, just because sometimes you're hauling butt, you know, and the wind's getting in your eyes, I always recommend running with sunglasses, and these have been my go-to. They're super light, they're super affordable, and yeah, they're called the XP Vision sunglasses. I'll link them down in the description, but I use these every single day to run. I absolutely love them. Super lightweight. I even lost a pair of these at a bachelor party at the Hard Rock Hotel in San Diego, and I immediately ordered them again right away because I love these. Yeah, they're a little extra, but for running, this is kind of what you want. You kind of want the goggle. purple. You kind of want the super reflective-y. I love how it's white, and I love how it, like, in the sun they change colors to like blue, pink, and all that. It's really cool. It's a cool little piece just to make things fun and interesting and keep you motivated. Anyways, that's my EDC update for today. Again, thank you to GeoGrit for sending over the 2 wallets. Again, blocking RFID, made out of like really good steel metal. It just feels good in hand. So thank you, GeoGrit, for sending these over. I have been using these for the last like 2 months. This one's been my go-to lately just because it's more, you know, rugged. But these are gonna change, so stay tuned for another EDC update video because a few things are gonna change. I already know that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you made it to the end of the video, I just want to say thank you for sticking with me and just being with me this whole year. I know it's been kind of a crazy year. I haven't created as much content or uploaded as much YouTube videos as I wanted to this year. You boys just had to make some changes to make this channel continue to grow, thrive, and, you know, just flourish, and that's the plan. I wanted to pump out at least another video or 2 before the year ends and just finish the year 2022 strong, guys. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers, which is freaking absolutely wild to me. So thank you guys so much. Tech, fitness, lifestyle, gonna incorporate a lot more of it. Did pick up some new equipment for the garage gym, so I'll show you guys that in like maybe like a little mini vlog style video. And yeah, guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for today's video. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to you and your families. Love you guys so much. I will catch you guys in the next one. Tech Lift out.